Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on dYdX token. There is major development today on the charts of dYdX that it has broken out a resistance of a falling wedge on the 4-hourly time frame. And in today's video, I want to discuss this move with you. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, then you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this falling wedge pattern on the 4-hourly time frame. The price line started the formation of this falling wedge on 5th of December, and here we had a rejection, and we had another rejection here, and so many rejections here as well, and we have so many touch points at the support. And during this move, the price line breaking out the different resistance levels, like here the price line found a resistance, and that was another falling wedge. We broke it out, we had a nice rally, and rejected by this resistance of a bigger falling wedge, and we again found another resistance here. And after breaking out this resistance, we had another nice rally, and we again found another resistance here. That was in fact a down channel. And after breaking out this down channel, we had another nice rally, and every time we have been rejected by this bigger resistance level of this big falling wedge pattern. And right now, after so many rejections here, the price line moved down and broke it out. Now this level, this support is very important. You can see that this support is at $6.59, and we can put our stop loss below this level, and from here to approximately here at $5.95. This is really very important support, and recently price line has bounced by this support level as well, and also the support of this falling wedge as well. And you can also observe that the price line did not break out this resistance only, it has also broke out the resistance of an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This resistance of the falling wedge was also breaking as a neckline of the head and shoulder pattern, and we are above the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. That was a very strong resistance. Now if we take a look at the target for this inverse head and shoulder, that will be approximately here at $12 approximately, that is. But before that, we have two major resistance levels. The price level resistance, one is at $9.30, and this level has been breaking as a strong resistance previously as well. I'll show you this resistance on the daily time frame, that will be more visible. And we have then $10.60. Now if we switch to the daily time frame, then here we can see, let me show you this resistance first, that we have at $9.30. You can see previously it has been breaking as a resistance and as a resistance here as well, and here it worked as a very nice support. And if I place the $10.60 resistance, then we can see that here it was rejected, and here it has been breaking as a support. So there are two price level resistance for the major move to start a major move, and we also have this exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame chart that is working as a very strong resistance. And since after 18th October, when the price line first broke it down, it is trying to break it out again and again, but could not break it out so far. And right now we are about to break it out. Once the price line will be able to break out this EMA 21 daily, then it can work as a very nice support for the price line, and there will be another down trend line resistance as well. That is in fact the resistance of this down channel as well, and the price line formed this down channel in September 2021. So far it is moving inside this channel, and the price line needs to break out first this resistance of the down channel and these two major resistance levels. These are really very important. Then it can start a major rally after breaking out this level. So next few hours or days are really very important. We are out of the neckline and this resistance of the falling wedge, and it can start a reversal, a powerful reversal move to the upside from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.